Hello again, it's Dan with the Law Offices of Daniel Hunt. In today's estate planning video, we're going to talk about when you want to update your estate plan. That's a question we get all the time from our clients, is how often should I be looking at updating my estate plan? General rule of thumb that I tell them many times is every 5 years, have it looked at. But beyond that, there are some things that may occur that you'd want to have your estate plan looked at. Today we'll be talking about three main ones. You got family changes, changes in your economic situation, or external changes like law changes and things like that. With family relationships and those changes, if you get a divorce, you're going to want to have your estate plan looked at for sure. If your spouse passes away, you're definitely going to want to have your estate plan looked at. If you get married, you're going to want to have your estate plan looked at probably before you get married. And then any changes with regard to your children. You have children that have passed away, more children that are born, grandchildren that are born that you want to include. Any of those things that change, have your estate plan looked at. Next one, changes in economic condition. If your assets increase greatly or decrease greatly, you want to have it looked at. Also, your insurability. If you lose the ability to be insured with life insurance, that might be a good time to talk about your estate planning with your attorney, because those things can change who's going to get money through life insurance if that's part of your plan. Also, changes in your employment, changes in any businesses that you might own. If you're going to sell your business or you're buying a business, that's a good time to look at your estate plan. Also, if you get property that's in a different state, you'll want to look at your estate plan as well, because that may affect if you have to open up a probate in another state or something like that. And then, of course, retirement is also a good time to look at your estate plan. And then the last one, external changes. So we always try and keep an eye on the tax laws for our clients. So the federal estate tax changes with capital gains taxes. When those things change, that can have a huge effect on your estate plan and your ability to avoid those taxes with proper planning techniques. Also, if you move to a different state, then it's a good time to have your estate plan looked at once again to make sure that it conforms with the laws of the state that you're now a resident of. And then, of course, if your executor or your trustee, if they pass away or if they no longer can serve, that is a great time, of course, to update those and make sure that you've got somebody who's going to be able to take care of things for you. So that's our video for today. So once again, reviewing that as to when you should have your estate plan. If you have family changes, you have economic changes, or those external changes like law changes, that's a good time to have your estate plan looked at, or rule of thumb, every 5 years. So if you have any questions or would like to schedule a consultation with our law firm, please contact us through the links on our website, or you can contact us at our phone number 916-488-9788. Thanks for listening.